Hello everyone, this is Meo. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be going to make a feather-like inclined ice dye. First, I folded the shirt in half and find the center. I marked it with my marker. And then I insert the one sleeve to the other. Make sure that the seams are aligned so that you have a beautiful mirror effect. For the pattern, I drew a curved line from the sleeve to the chest part of the shirt. And then do the accordion fold. My pleats is about 1 inch height. After doing the accordion fold, lock it with the rubber bands. Make sure to fix the pleats. Let's proceed to the dye application. As you can see here, I made a DIY gutter for my inclined ice dye. The first color is Teal Green. The second color is green. third color is chocolate brown. The last color is black. After putting all the dyes, we put soda ash on the top of it. And then after the soda ash, we put the ice. After putting all the ice and soda ash, we incline it in the basin. And let the ice melt for a few hours. I will cure it overnight and rinse the next day. Rinse it properly. And here's the final result. Thank you for watching.